Hello everybody, Helen Chin-Lu here, certified reflexologist, certified energy medicine practitioner, Reiki master and teacher, the owner of not only the Heal in Place Energy School, but also the Heal in Place in Medfield, Massachusetts. I am really excited. My online school, the Heal in Place Energy School, is really coming together. I've been making courses, filming, editing, uploading courses with you in mind. For those people who want to awaken their inner healers and want to be proactive with their health, I am developing reflexology classes, energy medicine classes that you could take from the privacy of your home. These courses are not certification programs because people ask me, Helen, can you teach the 300 certification program for reflexology? As much as I would love that, but I have to go to my state to become certified as a standalone, I should say, brick and mortar school. But this way, I could teach courses that will address health issues that will make you feel good. So the one that I'm really proud and want to focus on is foot reflexology to promote relaxation. Why this course? This course is going to teach your body how to relax so you can heal. Because every day we are working so hard to keep on top of things, just move along and not feel so incredibly overwhelmed. So you could just imagine, what is this doing to my body? Well, your body, your organs are trying to keep up with you. So I have made the foot reflexology to promote relaxation in 4 segments. The first one is introduction to reflexology, because you need to know what this is. Besides, you know or may know, this is a 5,000-year-old healing modality. The second class I want to teach is how to use your thumbs and fingers so you don't tire your hands and hurt your tendons and ligaments. That's really important, especially if you want your fingers and thumbs to last a lifetime. And who doesn't want that, right? And then lesson number 3 is a step-by-step technique on how to do the session. And on top of it, I have a manual you could download, and you could have that as part of your repertoire of healing tools. And then lesson number 4 is how to give yourself a healing session. Isn't that lovely? You could sit there, put your foot on your lap, or if you're in the bathtub, you could maneuver your feet, and you could give your feet a loving care that it needs, plus to feel good internally. So let me show you a couple of steps. So let's talk about the spine. This is your head. This is your neck. Your spine begins here. So you just imagine on your body, the curve of your back, all the way down to your tailbone, right about here. So you're going to do the push and pull 3 times. A repeat is up and down. And I'm going to probably do it twice to show you. So you're going to push down like this in your thumb, and you're going to push back. Same thing like I did on the fingers. Up, back and forth. And again, you're moving your spine, especially this is really great if you have a lot of stiffness in your spine and you're going to get it to move. I'm going to go a little faster now. And here we are, up to the neck. And we're going to come down. See how, imagine if you ever seen one of those old Charlie Chaplin movies, just like his feet, it's moving just like a penguin. And you're going back and forth. And you're giving your spine a lot of love. And it's loosening it up. So I'm going to do one. So I'm on my second repeat all the way up. And we're going to do it all the way down. And you're just going to move it. And once your hands get very sensitive, you're going to be able to feel where there might be energy blockages. What the heck, I'm going to do one more because I have a habit of doing everything in 3s anyways. Go all the way up. And remember, once you're done with the right foot, but if you choose, here's a choice, you could switch over and do the left. You could go back and forth, but because of this demonstration, I like to do everything on one foot. Now I'm going to take my thumbs right at the second toe. You're going to come all the way down until you feel a divot right about here. You're going to press, and this is going to release tension in your diaphragm line. Did you enjoy this tip? Yes, this is really important. Your spine has 22 sets of nerve endings, and you're going to touch those nerve endings, which is attached to every major organs and glands in your body. So just this one tip is helpful, but can you imagine learning a 25-step protocol to relax the entire body? I think that's fabulous. And you could do this for $10 a month on the Healing Place Energy School. We offer all kinds of self-help classes, wellness classes, and things that will keep you balanced. So share with your buddies. Let them know that this course exists. Give me a like, subscribe to our channel, and I look forward to talking to you soon. This is Helen Chin Lu from the Healing Place Energy School. Have a good day.